everyone, welcome to the library. I'm Jennifer and we're in the staff lounge of the Public Library of Mount Vernon in Knox County. Today we're going to be cooking up a real quick and tasty Pico De Gallo with fresh vegetables from our garden. We're going to be using onions, tomatoes, cilantro, green peppers, hot peppers, and some garlic and some spice. The first thing you're going to do is cut up your tomatoes, which I've already cut up most of them. We'll just put this in the bowl. It goes together really quickly once you have everything chopped up. Next, we're going to put in our chopped up green pepper. Get that in the bowl. We're also going to add onion. The nice thing about this recipe, which if you can call it a recipe, it's just kind of a quick and easy. If you like more tomatoes, put more tomatoes in. You like it really oniony, put some more onions in. Green peppers, put a lot in. Next, I'm going to put in our cilantro. I've already chopped up our cilantro. Just a quick tip too. Keeping your herbs fresh, if you want to just put it into a small container with a little bit of water, stick your herbs right in there, put it in the refrigerator, keeps fresh for quite a while. So we'll put in our chopped cilantro. We'll also put in our peppers. Again, you like it spicy, keep all of the seeds in there. You want it not so spicy, make sure you take the seeds out before you chop that up. So now we've got our tomatoes, we've got our onions, we've got our green pepper, cilantro, and the hot peppers. Now we're going to do our lime. You can either do lime or you can do a lemon. Today I'm going to do a lime. When I cut up a lime and juice it, first of all, I give it a little bit of roll. It seems to help to get it squeezed out a little better. So I'll cut this, and I don't have my juicer here today, so what I do have is a pair of tongs. And we'll just squeeze that right into our bowl. You like it lemony? This adds a real nice fresh taste to your Pico De Gallo. And I didn't mention, you know what Pico De Gallo means? It means the beak of the rooster, and it's believed that that is what they call this is because when people would eat it, they'd use their finger and their thumb, so it looks kind of like a beak of a rooster, and they'd pick it up with their 4 fingers and their thumb. So that's just a little tidbit, Pico De Gallo. So we've got our lime in there. I'm going to give a few turns of the salt shaker here. Again, add to your taste. You don't want it so salty, don't put so much in. Also, I'm going to put in some garlic. Another little tidbit, I keep my garlic, the garlic cloves, in a jar, put some olive oil in it, and then I keep this in the refrigerator. Whenever I want some garlic, I just take this out. After all my garlic is used up, I've got this really nice flavored olive oil that I can use for cooking as well. So we'll get in a clove of garlic, put it in our press. It goes right into our Pico De Gallo. So we'll put that in, and we'll try. That's a pretty big clove. And then we'll just try and squeeze that right in there. We'll try and squeeze, there we go. And we'll just get all that goodness right into our mixture here. All right, so if you like more garlic, put more garlic in. The last thing I'm going to put in, just a little splash of vinegar, white vinegar. Just a splash. We'll mix that all up. It smells really good. This is one of those garden food items that I love to make because it's fresh, it's quick, it's delicious, it's good for you. Let's give this a try. I'm just going to take a spoon, just a little mouthful here. That's really tasty. Nice, fresh, really tangy with the vinegar in there. You need more spice. Remember to give a little bit more pepper. So, if you don't have any fresh vegetables in your garden, or you don't grow a garden, check out your local farmer's market. We've got great ones here in Mount Vernon. Go to Fredericktown. They've got one on Thursday night. You can always get supplied with fresh vegetables, fresh herbs. They've got a great supply over there. They're over there on Saturday mornings. So thanks for stopping by. Connect with us on social media. Follow us on Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And subscribe to us on our YouTube channel. Check us out on our website, www.knox.net, for other events and videos. Hope you're having a great summer, and we'll see you next time.